If I handed you a blueprint that showed you exactly how to stack AI side hustles in 2025, starting with absolutely $0 and scaling to $5,000 a month, would you actually follow it? Because the truth is, most people hear about AI, they play with ChatGPT for a weekend. Maybe they generate a funny meme or two, and then they forget about it. Meanwhile, the people who treat AI as a business tool are quietly building digital machines that pay them month after month. What I'm about to share with you isn't a bunch of hype. It's a complete system, a stack that you can copy and execute in 2025 to start building real income. And the crazy part? You don't need to be technical. You don't need to invest a cent up front, and you don't need to quit your job. This is designed for regular people who are ready to use the tools that are already here. Before we dive in, do me one favor. Make sure you subscribe to AI Hustle Hub. This channel isn't about flashy demos that make you go, wow, AI is so smart. We're about step-by-step actionable strategies that help you turn AI into real income streams. Every week, we're dropping videos that break down what's working right now, from faceless YouTube brands to AI-powered freelancing to passive income systems. If you want to be in early while most people are still sitting on the sidelines, subscribe and lock in. Now let's talk about the AI side hustle stack. Think of this as building blocks. Each hustle on its own can make money, but when you stack them together, each one feeds into the next. And that's how you create leverage. You're not just hustling anymore. You're building a small AI empire. I'll walk you through each layer step by step, show you what tools to use, and explain how they connect to create a complete system that can realistically grow from $0 to $5,000 a month. The first layer is AI freelancing. This is your entry point, your quick cash machine, and the foundation for everything else. Why freelancing? Because it puts money in your pocket fast, and you don't need any upfront investment to start. Go to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, search for services like blog writing, social media management, or video editing, and you'll see thousands of people offering those gigs. But here's the hack. You don't need to spend hours doing the work manually. Let's say someone hires you to write a 1,000-word blog post. Open ChatGPT, feed it the client's topic, refine the draft, run it through Grammarly to polish it, then optimize with SurferSEO or Neuron Writer. In under an hour, you've created something people are paying $50 to $200 for. Land 10 of those clients in a month, and you're already at $1,000 to $2,000. That's your launchpad. But here's where it gets powerful. Instead of just freelancing, you use freelancing to build assets. When you're writing blog posts for clients, you also start publishing your own AI-generated blog content on free platforms like Medium or WordPress. That's the second layer, AI blogging for passive income. Why does this matter? Because freelancing trades time for money, but blogging compounds. Write an article about top budget tech gadgets for 2025 with affiliate links to Amazon products. Every time someone reads your blog and buys, you earn a commission. Do this 20, 30, 50 times, and each post becomes a little soldier working for you while you sleep. One post might bring in $20 a month. Another might hit $100. Stack enough of them, and suddenly you're making $500, $1,000 or more without lifting a finger. Now, let's move to the third layer, faceless content creation. This is where things start to scale. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding with content, and you don't need to show your face to participate. You can literally build entire viral accounts using AI tools. Here's how. Start with ChatGPT to write 10 short motivational scripts. Use 11 Labs to generate realistic voiceovers. Use InVideo or Pictory for visuals, whether that's cinematic B-roll, AI-generated art, or stock-style clips. Stitch it all together in CapCut or Premiere, add trending music, and schedule daily uploads. Within weeks, you've got a faceless account pumping out content like a machine. Why is this powerful? Because attention equals leverage. Once your account starts gaining traction, you funnel that audience into your blog posts, your affiliate links, or even your freelancing services. Suddenly, you're not just hustling client by client, you're building a content engine that multiplies everything else. And the best part, brands pay for attention. With just 50,000 followers, you can start charging $200 to $500 for sponsored shoutouts. Scale that up, and you're looking at thousands a month just from partnerships, not counting the traffic you're driving into your other income streams. The fourth layer of the stack is AI design. This is one of the lowest barrier hustles with one of the highest demands. Small businesses, YouTubers, and entrepreneurs constantly need graphics. logos, thumbnails, ads, social posts. With tools like Canva AI or Midjourney, you can create stunning designs in minutes. Here's the play. Set up a Fiverr gig for YouTube thumbnails. A client pays you $30 for one thumbnail. You create 3 variations with Canva AI in less than 15 minutes, package them nicely, and deliver. Do that 20 times in a month and you've pocketed $600, but here's the leverage. Those same skills can be used to design your own faceless content, your blog graphics, and even your own digital products. Each hustle fuels the next. Speaking of digital products, that's the 5th layer. This is where you take everything you've learned and start creating assets that pay you over and over. Use ChatGPT to create eBooks, guides, or even mini courses. Use Canva or Midjourney to design covers and visuals. Host them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. For example, create a guide called 10 AI Side Hustles for Beginners in 2025 and sell it for $9.99. Sell just 100 copies, and you've made $1,000. The work is done once, but the income keeps coming in. This is the ultimate leverage point, because your audience from TikTok, YouTube, and your blog can all be funneled into buying your products. Now, some of you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I actually stack these without burning out? That's the beauty of AI. It automates most of the heavy lifting. Let me show you the workflow. You start freelancing to generate quick income. While doing that, you create your own blog posts on the side. Those blog posts then become scripts for your faceless TikToks and shorts. The traffic from those shorts drives people back to your blogs and affiliate links. At the same time, you offer design services for clients while using those same skills to make your own content look professional. And once your audience is big enough, you launch digital products that monetize your following even further. Each hustle feeds into the others. You're not working harder, you're stacking smarter. This stack works because it hits all 3 levels of income: active, semi-passive, and fully passive. Freelancing is active. It's money now. Blogging and faceless content are semi-passive. They require effort upfront, but keep paying later. Digital products are fully passive. Work once, get paid forever. Combine all 3, and you've built a system that grows from $0 to $5,000 a month without relying on luck and without needing to be some coding genius. Now let's get real for a second. Most people will never do this. They'll watch videos like this, nod their heads, and then scroll on to the next thing. But the people who actually pick one layer of the stack and start tonight, those are the ones who win. You don't need to do all of it at once. Start with freelancing, get your first $200 client, and then add blogging. Or start with faceless TikTok content, and then build a blog around it. The order doesn't matter as much as the consistency. Every small step you take stacks on top of the last one, and within months, you'll look back and realize you've built a real business. And don't underestimate the skill building part. Every blog post you write teaches you how to prompt better. Every thumbnail you design sharpens your marketing eye. Every TikTok script you generate trains you in storytelling. These aren't just hustles. They're skills you'll use for years to come. The guy who starts freelancing today could be running a full-blown AI agency next year. The person who launches a faceless YouTube channel today could be managing multiple viral pages by the end of the year. It's all a snowball effect, but the snowball doesn't roll until you push it. So here's the challenge I'll leave you with. Pick one hustle from this stack and commit to it for the next 30 days. Don't try to juggle 5 things at once. Focus. If you're drawn to freelancing, land your first client. If you're excited about faceless content, publish 20 shorts. If blogging feels right, write 10 articles with AI. Whatever you pick, just start, because momentum beats perfection every single time. AI isn't the future, it's right now. The tools are here, they're free or dirt cheap, and the only thing separating you from the people making money with them is action. If you're ready to stop watching and start building, subscribe to AI Hustle Hub. This is where we break down the strategies, the systems, and the exact steps you need to build income streams with AI. No fluff, no theory, just the stuff that works. If this video gave you value, share it with someone who's been talking about wanting to start a side hustle in 2025, because the opportunity window is wide open right now, but it won't be forever. Early movers always win. The question is, are you going to be one of them? And remember, you don't need money, you don't need connections, and you don't need years of experience. You just need to start. This is your moment. Build your stack, use the tools, and take the first step tonight.